The T-track goes in this dado, and we need to sand this surface where the adhesive back scale will go. Installing T-track in the fence is quite easy. Just drop the T-track into the dado. I usually set mine back in a little bit, mostly because when I've had it out past the end, I've had it catch on my leg as I walk past. Just drop it down in there, a little tight at this end, and then we put the screws in. In this case I'm using some small number 4 wood screws, and these take a number 1 Phillips bit and you just repeat all the way down.
If you ordered the T-track with a swap saw, we supply 2 4-foot lengths of the T-track. If you're building the 8-foot fence, just fill the dado from end to end with the T-track. But you can't use foot stops and micro adjusters behind the rails. So if you've got the 10-foot fence, put the T-track in flush to each end, leaving about a 2-foot gap in the middle. This maximizes the utilization of the space available. Here we're drilling and countersinking the screw holes in the HDPE bearing material. You only need about 4 of them for each 4-foot length. And it's an 82-degree countersink, and use number 6 wood screws, 3/4 of an inch long or so. And that should do you. You line the HDPE bearing to the saw cut, and this will give you a 5-foot length on each side of it with a 10-foot fence.